बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ अग्नि। आज का टॉपिक है बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ अग्नि और मैं हूँ डॉक्टर श्यामवीर गुरैया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर रोग निदान डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, जयोति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ अग्नि। सबसे पहले अग्नि की डेफिनेशन। अग्नि इज डिफाइंड एज ए नयति परिणामेति, that is the one which bring about the transformation of consumed आहार विहारादि द्रव्य of विजातीय incompletable origin to सजातीय homogeneous nature. Pith is Agni. Agni is the body is Pith. The Pith expression of heat and digestion sustain the life. Five groups of five Pith of Agni derivatives disposed in wholesome body distribute the effects of Agni. Forms of Agni. Shariram in the solar region, Aditya Lok. Indriyam is the eye, Chakshu and Visaya object. This is a fourfold. Bhumam, fire, etc. Divyam, lightning, etc. Odaryam, the cause of digestion of ingested food. Akarjam, produced in mine's gold, etc. Agni derivatives. Ayud, longevity. Varn, complication, completion. Balam, strength. Swasth, health. Utsaha, enthusiasm. Upchay, body accumulation. Prabha, luster. Ojas, tissue essence. Agni, biofires. Pran, life. The place of Agni. The site of Agni is Grahini. Grahini is named as it received the food. Its placement is between Amasya and Pakvasya. Agni and Ritu. Jatragni, प्रबल प्रबल और मंद। ऋतु हेमंत ऋतु में प्रबल, बसंत ऋतु में मंद, शिशिर ऋतु में प्रबल होती है और वर्षा ऋतु में मंद। पित्त अग्नि फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी। कलर नील, टेस्ट कटु या अम्ल। अग्नि इज नो टेस्ट। स्मेल रसपूती, कंसिस्टेंसी द्रव्य। पित्त इज स्निग्ध। अग्नि इज रुक्ष। क्वालिटीज उष्ण, तीक्ष्ण, लघु, सर, विशद। अग्नि मूव सप एंड पित्त डाउन। क्वांटिटी 5 अंजलि। अग्नि इज नो specification. Causes of development. Agni is the causes of digestion. It converts the food into ahar ras. Ras nourishes the tissues while the body. Without Agni, the food cannot convert food and develop the tissue. Types of Agni. Jatragni या Pachakagni. Digestive secretion. Bhutagni are element enzymes that are responsible for microelement converts. Tatvagni are 7 corresponding tissue building enzymes. Few more related terms used are Kostagni, the digestion process responsible secretion throughout gastrointestinal tract. Dehagni, body temperature sustenance mechanism. Kayagni, ans the microcatabolic agents element the heat. Jatragni, the seat is Amasya, the function is macro digestion. Invitation causes Agnimanda, root cause of disease, management is easy. Langan is adapted. Unch Tikshna Pitta, food is increased Agni. Utagni, seat Agnasya, liver oblique pancreas function, micro digestion, pilupat, pitharpat. Switation makes tissue building material, insufficiency, management supplementary therapy, food supplementation, Prangan therapy, Madhur Sheath foods with specification materials required. Tattva-Agni, tissue transformative or welders, function development and maintenance of tissue. Switation either bulk or lay management. Both Langan and Brangan are adopted sentential terms are terms that are not used. Those Agni, those also developed by food, those get spark, those vibrity heat even, those called as dhatu even. Malagni, it is mal, mal does not transform and liberate any heat, thus no malagni available. Kayagni, ans in the tissue of and processing the rudimentary bioenzymes that are present when and reduce the tissue and subsided develops a cytokinin properties of cellular level that liberties heat and rise the BMR. Types of Agni variation, vitation, Agni is fundamental to digest. Vitiated, vitiated state are Visam, Tikshna, Mand, Sam. Agni attribution to digestion. Amavastha, pre-digestive phase, no contact of digestive secretion. Pachamanavastha, para-digestive phase, semi-digestive phase of food, medicine. Pakvavastha, post-digestive phase, effective assimilation, drug action phase. Functional forms of Agni. Normally, the Agni based on function, longevity, ayush, complication, burn, developers, bioluminescence, strength, bal, health, स्वास्थ्य, enthusiasm, उत्साह, body accumulation, उपचय, luster प्रवाह, tissue ओज, अग्नि, biofires, प्राण, life. Usma is the heat reflection is the end part of the gut and integumentary system. इस प्रकार से यहाँ पे ये दिया गया है अष्टांग हृदय सूत्र 97वें अध्याय में और अष्टांग हृदय 17वें अध्याय में बताया गया है पंचमहाभूतात्मक अग्नि के बारे में. इंटरवेंशन ऑफ अग्नि इज समन चिकित्सा. दीपन without digestion the arm improve the digestive secretion. Pachan digests the arm but does not secrete the digestive secretion. Deepan Pachan digests the arm and improve digestive secretions. Intervention of Agni in Shodhan Chikitsa. Anuloman, Srinsan, Rechan, Vaman, Vasti. Medicine and Agni. Water soluble alkaloids, Sweras, instantaneous acting. Medicine absorbed through digestion. Heat resistance alkaloids, Quat, short term intermediate acting. Medicine absorbed through digestion. Heat tolerant alkaloids, Kasai, long term intermediate acting medicine absorbed through digestion. Lipid soluble alkaloids, Tail, Grath, long term acting medication absorbed through digestion. Transcutaneous, rectal, and many more routes. Water alcohol soluble alkaloids. Asav arrest, short term instantaneous acting medication increases digestion and absorbed through digestion. Alcohol soluble alkaloids. Sura, short term intermediate acting medication increase digestion and absorbed through digestion. Milk, lactose soluble alkaloids. This forms is a specialty in Ayurveda like Arjuna Shirpak, which is more useful in present day practice. Conclusion. The concept of Agni is not fully utilized in Ayurveda treatments. Researchers are in need to utilize various levels of Agni. Interventional assessment of formula for Agni interaction is needed. We have to accept and follow the concept that we are treating Agni in the name of treatment. इस प्रकार से यहाँ पर बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ अग्नि के बारे में बताया गया है. थैंक यू.